Hello guys, welcome to Code Bazinga. This is part 1 of Python basic series. So before getting our hands dirty with Python code, it is important to understand what is Python and why should we exactly learn it. We just need to keep 4 key points in mind, and then we'll understand very easily what Python is. First thing is, Python is a high level programming language. So basically there are two kinds of programming languages, high level language and low level language. Low level language is written into machine code that is hard and difficult to understand, while high level language is something that programmers or users can easily understand. The second point is, Python is an interpreted programming language. So here again there are two kinds of as in entities that converts high level programming language into machine code. The first entity is compiler and the second one is interpreter. So both these compiler and interpreter converts high level language into machine code. The compiler will convert the code into machine code before the program execution, while an interpreter converts it into machine code when the program is run. Now, some examples of compiled languages are C, C++, C#, and Java, while Python and Perl are examples of interpreted languages. The third point to keep in mind is that Python is an object-oriented programming language. With the use of Python, we can use object-oriented concepts like class, object, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, and encapsulation. And the last point to keep in mind is that Python is dynamically typed. By dynamically typed, I mean that we need not write the data type of a variable while using it or before or after using it. So, and the best part about Python is that it is most user-friendly and the best programming language to learn at a beginner level. Now let's deep dive into the various uses of Python, which you already are familiar with, I suppose. The various applications of Python are, first thing is, Python is used in data science and visualizations. We have so many loads and loads of libraries such as pandas, matplotlib, seaborn, plotly, bokeh, holoviews, dash, etc. Now you all already know that Python is used heavily in machine learning. The libraries used in machine learning are sklearn, scipy, numpy, etc. Python is also used in deep learning. We have libraries like TensorFlow, Keras, PyTorch, Theano, and there are a few others. Now Python is also used in natural language processing. The libraries used in natural language processing are NLTK, GenSim, TextBlobs, etc. Now Python is also deployed for image processing tasks, and the libraries used are OpenCV, skimage, YOLO, SSD, etc. Python is used in GUI development. By GUI I mean graphical user interface development. The different libraries used are Kinter, Kiwi, PyQt, etc. Python is used these days in web development, and the frameworks used are Django, Flask, and Pyramid. Likewise, Python is also used in automation. Python can also be deployed for web scraping tasks, and the libraries used are Beautiful Soup, Scrapy, and Selenium. And in the past couple of years, I've also seen Python being deployed for Bitcoin mining. Besides, these are the basic applications. There are tons of other applications for which Python has been used in industries. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.